Welcome to Cranbourne Carl's Week 6 Term 3 Assembly and our first fully remote online assembly. We hope you enjoy this assembly format today and that you enjoy the chance to connect with the whole school. We would like to begin our assembly by acknowledging the traditional owners of the land on which we are all on and pay our respects to leaders past, present, and emerging. Now for our national anthem, we have me on the piano.
Hi, I'm Kaylin, one of the art captains. 2020 has been a very different year for all of us. While we might not be able to be at school, we have still been able to continue our learning in all areas of the curriculum.
Hi, I'm Willow and I'm one of the art captains. Miss Rucker has made an awesome slideshow for us to watch using some of the amazing artworks that we have made through the past few weeks. Let's have a look.
This schooling year has been a particularly different one for our foundation children who have had an introduction to the school like nothing anyone could have imagined. Last week they hit a very important milestone, 100 days at school. The foundation teachers planned a special day to celebrate this milestone. Congratulations to our foundation children.
Recently, we also had our return to Dreamtime Tuesday. Dreamtime Tuesday is a day for us to learn about Indigenous Australian culture and to learn different Dreamtime stories. Classes listened to the story The Echidna and the Shade Tree and created creative responses. These are some of the creative responses.
Now let's hear from Rita, one of our Vice School Captains, to read the Achievement Award celebrating the awesome learning that's been happening across the school.
Hamza in FA, you have shown dedication to your learning while learning from home. You have improved the standard of work and always try your best. Well done on actively engage in all learning opportunities. Keep up the amazing work. Harmony in FD, you have shown a commitment to your learning by completing all your activities to a high standard. You always maintain a positive attitude and show enthusiasm for all areas of learning. Congratulations, Harmony. Keep up the amazing work. Charlie in Class 1D, you have demonstrated commitment to your learning during remote learning while on WebEx. The children have been excited to see you. It has been terrific to see you continue with your learning and not give up. Yara from Class 2B, you have worked very hard and produced outstanding work during remote learning. You think deeply in each activity and demonstrate your thoughts and ideas. I am very proud of you. Your group in 2D, you have been resilient, showing your enthusiasm, engaging in remote learning regularly, and managing problem solving during the morning activity. Great to see you building confidence in speaking and creating videos. Sithya in 4A, you have shown a great dedication to your learning while learning from home. You always take great pride in your work, complete work to a high standard, and actively engage in all learning opportunities. Keep up the amazing work. Omaid in 4C, you have shown great commitment to improving your learning during remote learning. You actively engage in all learning activities, complete all of your work to the best of your ability, and always seek help when you need it. Keep up the great work. In 6B, you have shown an amazing effort in your ability to get online recently and ask for help with your work. I'm incredibly proud of you. Keep it up. Malaika in 6C, you have shown dedication to your learning during our inquiry into inventions. Your video presentation was amazing and showed us the true you. You spoke clearly and even adding humor to your sales pitch. You would be very proud of your achievement. Congratulations. Ritu in 6C, You have shown you are a dedicated member of our school leadership team and a valuable member of CCPS. Your passion for learning the keyboard to play Happy Birthday and Advance Australia Fair during our first online assembly was inspiring, especially learning them both in only a few days.
And now for some special Year 3 awards. The first award is for 3A from Miss Wallace, and the award goes to Japjeet for listening to and responding to feedback to improve her understanding of concepts. Well done, Japjeet, from Miss Wallace. And in 3B from Miss Gray, we have the award for Abby for always taking pride in her work and working to the best of her ability. Well done, Abby, from Miss Gray. And in 3C from Miss Clark, the award goes to Karan for always listening to and following instructions to understand the concept being taught. Well done, from Miss Clark.
Happy birthday to everyone who has celebrated a birthday so far this term. Let's cut to me on the piano playing Happy Birthday.
Thank you for watching today's assembly. A huge well done to our captains involved in the filming of their different segments. And we hope that everyone is able to keep looking after themselves and keep staying safe from everyone here at CCPS.